This is one of our customer use 60 ton per day rice mill plant. And first is paddy inlet. Through the elevator to paddy silo, can stock more paddy. And then through the conveyor transport the paddy to rice mill plant. Through the elevator, transport the paddy to rice mill machine. First is paddy clean machine, can remove impurity from paddy. And through the elevator to paddy Destoner machine, can remove stone from paddy, get clean paddy. And then is the paddy huller machine, can remove paddy hulls, get brown rice. And then is paddy and brown rice separate, can separate paddy and brown rice. And then the brown rice will come to rice mill machine. And the paddy will back to paddy hulls machine. And then is rice mill machine, can let brown rice be white rice. And then is rice grinder machine and rice polisher machine, let the rice surface more smooth and beautiful. Color sorter machine, can separate different color rice and impurity. Rice packing machine can package rice into 5 kilo, 10 kilo, and 25 kilo and 50 kilo. Also includes the bag closer.